Ghibli art style images are very famous nowadays on the internet, and everybody is converting their images into Ghibli art. So if you want to convert your image into Ghibli art, this video is exactly for you, because in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can convert your simple image into a Ghibli art style. So let's start our video. First, you need to go to Chatgpt, open the application. You can do that on the website of Chatgpt as well. Once you open it, tap on the photo icon here, then tap on photos, and then you need to select the photo that you want to convert it into the Ghibli art. Suppose this one, I add this one. Now you need to enter the prompt here. So guys, I enter a prompt. Can you convert this image into Ghibli art style? Image, I forget the image, and then you need to send it. So as you can see, it is getting started. It is converting the image into a Ghibli style art. It will take a bit of time, so we will wait, and then I will show you the finished product. So guys, as you can see, our Ghibli art image style has been created. This is how you're going to create it. This was the original one, and this is the Ghibli art. Now all you can do is to open it and then tap on the save option here, and the image will be saved to your device, and then you can post it across the social media platforms. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.